It may not have a menacing appearance and so far is not posing any danger, the likes of the volcano, which has left much of Europe in a quandary, but for residents of Casco do Trace, Manzanilla, it is a problem. Resident Andrew Mansing says for the last 6 months, the mud volcano has been erupting and causing the earth to shift, posing danger to homes in the area.
The land shifting and cracking up a little apartment, and all I asking for is a public funding to move out of land would have used. I'd like to just dip out and move away from the volcano.
Mansing, who 10 years ago suffered an injury which left him in a wheelchair, says the house he is slowly building is in jeopardy and he is afraid to complete it, fearing the worst can happen.
As it comes into the rainy season now, it became more worse than worse. It became a real health hazard for me, staying in this little apartment, because to the back of the volcano there's that tabletop salad and that crusher water is coming down.
Much of the ground in Casco do Trace is cracking and crumbling, and with little signs that the volcano is worsening, residents are wondering what next would happen. For CNC3, I'm Melissa Williams.